In a magical kingdom, there lived a young princess named Iris who adored painting. Her favourite thing was her magical paintbrush, a gift from the kingdom's kindest fairy. Whatever Princess Iris painted would come to life, filling the palace with beautiful scenes and friendly creatures. One day, feeling adventurous, she painted a lively forest full of talking animals, dancing trees, and colourful flowers. But something went wrong. Her brush slipped, and she accidentally painted a mischievous fox with too much energy. As soon as it sprang to life, the fox dashed through the castle, turning everything topsy-turvy. He ran through the gardens, startled the guards, and even tangled himself in the royal laundry. Princess Iris realised she needed to set things right. She tried repainting the fox to calm him down, but he only grew wilder. Then she remembered the fairy's words. "Paint with kindness, and your creations will listen." Taking a deep breath, Princess Iris painted a gentle heart over the fox's chest. As soon as she did, the fox's mischief faded, and he sat down, calm and smiling. Princess Iris learned an important lesson. Magic requires kindness and care. From that day on, she painted with love and responsibility, ensuring her creations brought joy, not chaos, to her kingdom. Morale: with great power comes great responsibility. Use your gifts wisely.